Welcome and thank you for checking out Podia. I'm Ben Tolson, and today I'm excited to walk you through everything Podia has to offer and help you decide which plan is right for you. Podia gives you everything you need to grow, whether you're just starting out or you've got a thriving business. As we go through each of the plans, I'll break them down by features that let you build your platform, sell your products, and market to your audience, as well as any additional features. First, let's talk about the free plan. Podia offers a free plan that lets you build a free website, host a community for free, and start selling digital products for free. This is perfect for those who are just starting out or who are wanting to try Podia for the first time. With the free plan, you pay $0 per month and an 8% transaction fee on any sales you make. Let's get into how the free plan can help you start your business and build your platform. With your free plan, you get a full website. This includes our easy-to-use site builder that makes it a breeze to add sections, products, and pages of all kinds. Need to add a bio? Answer frequently asked questions, share your testimonials, make a sales page. With the ability to add a variety of pages and content, integrate your products, and handle checkout, your free website can do it all. On the free plan, you also get an unlimited community site where you can bring your audience into the conversation around your brand and products. Community makes it easy to organize your conversation into topics and posts, have engaging multimedia conversations with your members, and manage member access. You can even sell or automatically sign your members up for your digital products. Speaking of digital products, let's get into what the free plan enables you to sell. With the free plan, you can sell one digital download and one coaching product. You can also create drafts for online courses, webinars, and product bundles, so you have everything in place once your business grows and you're ready to upgrade. Even with online course drafts, you have access to our professional, easy-to-use online course builder. That way you can put together your entire course so that when you're ready to upgrade, you can launch right away. What about marketing tools? Free plans come with email marketing, where you can send up to 250 broadcasts per month and have one active automated campaign with up to 3 emails. You also get our live chat feature, which allows you to chat in real time with your customers. This is great for making direct sales and offering support. Finally, let's talk about some of the additional features that come with the free plan. The ability to add team seats at $20 per month per teammate, so you can scale as your business grows. 7 days a week customer support from our amazing support team, and access to the Podia creator community, where you can ask questions and get encouragement from others who are on the same journey as you. Like I said, the free plan is packed with value and offers everything you need to launch your business and start growing an audience. Now, what if you're ready to start selling online courses and more digital products? The Mover plan could be a perfect fit. At $39 per month or $33 per month billed annually with 0 transaction fees, it's an affordable option that builds on everything we offer in the free plan, so you can start making moves in your business. The Mover plan is great for folks who want to sell online courses and expand their digital products. With the Mover plan, you can sell unlimited digital downloads, unlimited coaching products, and unlimited online courses. The clean, professional online course builder makes your courses look amazing. You can set up your course a number of different ways to provide a customized learning experience that matches your students' needs. And you can pre-launch or pre-sell your course and start making money even before you start working on it. When it comes to building your platform on the Mover plan, you still get a free website and unlimited community, but now you can upload videos natively, making it easier to share your amazing content with your audience. Let's get into how the Mover plan helps you market to your audience. You get the live chat feature and email marketing, but now you can send unlimited broadcasts and run unlimited campaigns. In addition, you can offer coupons and upsells. Finally, along with all the additional features that come in the free plan, you now have access to integrations like Google Analytics, Facebook tracking, Zapier triggers, and PayPal. So that's the Mover plan. Now it's time to talk about the Shaker plan. Ready to shake things up in your business? The Shaker plan unlocks additional products and powerful marketing tools, including webinars and an affiliate program. It's $89 per month or $75 per month billed annually with 0 transaction fees, and offers everything in the previous plans and much more. The Shaker plan unlocks the full suite of products you can sell through Podia. That means unlimited courses, digital downloads, coaching products, product bundles, and webinars. With webinars, you can connect your YouTube Live or Zoom account and charge for access right from your Podia site. Your audience can register, purchase, and attend your webinar in the same place you have your website, community, and other digital products. This means you can sell access to your webinar, use webinars as a tool to sell other digital products, or earn passive income by selling webinar replays. In addition to unlimited email marketing, live chat, coupons, and upsells, the Shaker plan helps you turn your biggest fans into ambassadors with an affiliate management tool that lets you set custom commissions for all of your products and pays your affiliates automatically. In addition, you can now embed buy buttons for your digital products on your own website, so you have even more control over the customer experience. The Shaker plan includes all of the additional features from the previous plans, adding Zapier actions, third-party code, and the ability to turn off Podia branding. So that's our overview of Podia's pricing and plans. I hope it's clear that wherever you are in your journey, we're ready to meet you there with tools to help you grow and reach the next stage in your business. If you're ready to get your free website and unlimited community, sign up for a free account at podia.com/signup and start building and selling to your audience right away. If you have any questions, reach out to us via live chat or email hello@podia.com.